We'll guide you through how to use Asana Personal effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Asana website. Log in with your credentials or create a new account if you haven't yet. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. In the top bar, click on the My Tasks tab. This is where you can manage all your personal tasks. To add a new task, click the Add Task button. Enter the task name, due date, and any other details you need. You can also add subtasks by clicking on the task itself and then selecting Add Subtask. This is great for breaking down larger projects. Next, explore the Projects section by clicking on it in the left sidebar. Here, you can create a new project by selecting New Project. Name your project, choose a template if you want, and customize it according to your needs. Adding tasks to projects is as simple as dragging and dropping from your task list into the project. You can also assign tasks to different sections within a project to keep things organized. Don't forget to utilize Asana's tagging and priority features to categorize and prioritize your tasks. You can tag tasks for easy searching later and set priorities to focus on what's most important. Regularly check your Inbox tab for updates and comments on your tasks. This helps you stay on top of communication with any collaborators. Finally, make sure to set up your notifications in the profile settings so you get alerts for task deadlines and updates. This way, you never miss an important task. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.